Welcome to nobsmaxx Life Maxing. Let's talk about bone structure and optimizing your facial growth. You may or may not have even heard of changing your bone structure. You probably thought, it's my face, I can't change it, right? Well, let me tell you, you can. And you can change most things to make yourself look more appealing. Modern food and habits have made our facial development decline over the years. Soft food, leading to muscles and teeth not being used, to braces, to wisdom teeth getting pulled out. This all affects your face drastically. Here, you can see people who ate the correct foods, correct tongue posture and correct habits, and the people who consume modern foods with bad habits. You are probably understanding by now that you can in fact change your face. So how do you optimize it? Number 1, mewing. Mewing is very simple. Put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and create a suction hold to hold it there with no effort. So how do you do it? Say king and keep your tongue where it is. Focus on getting the back third up on your palate. You might not get it first try, but keep on trying until your tongue gets used to the position. This is correct tongue posture, the way it should be. Number 2, chewing hard foods. Your masseter muscles, the jaw muscles, are very underdeveloped most likely. Think about the foods you eat daily. Probably very soft foods, right? Nothing where you feel like you really have to bite into it and chew to eat it. This is what is missing in modern day diets. So how do you improve this? By chewing hard. Bite down hard and chew for longer times. Whenever you eat something, just bite down as hard with every chewing motion. And keep in mind, chew only up and down. No side-to-side movements. You can also add mastic gum and chew for 1 to 2 hours, as this will greatly train your masseter muscles. Number 3, relaxing the masseter muscles. Your jaw muscles are extremely tight most likely. Chewing and chewing without stopping. When does the muscle relax? You see, when the jaw muscles are tight, they pull the face down. These muscles can generate up to 400 kilograms of force. Imagine that pulling on your face 24/7. Massage your masseters with either your knuckles or a massage gun or even a tennis ball. Do this for 15 minutes and you will feel the relief. These are the basic, no BS ways to improve your appearance. And trust me, this will help you to drastically change your appearance. I personally have been doing this for 4 years, and the changes I have seen have been massive. Almost unrecognizable. Remember, stay consistent. If you want to further learn about looksmaxing and improving your appearance with other lesser-known techniques, make sure to check out my No BS Looksmaxing guide. You can find the link in the description. Follow my socials for more self-improvement content. God bless.